Hi everyone, in today's crochet tutorial we are going to make this adorable and colorful mini card pouches. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get naughty with some creative fun. Let's begin by making 23 number of chains, and you can adjust this to your preferred width. For that, first make slip knot and 23 number of chains. Now we have completed 23 chains. Now skip the 3 chains and make double crochet in the 4th chain space. We have done one double crochet and we are going to do double crochet all across. And you should have 20 double crochets by the end. Repeat this all across. Now turn your work, and at the end we will have to make chain 1 and 2 double crochets in the same stitch. And double crochet all across. Now we have completed first row. Make a slip stitch to close this. For row 2, make chain 2 and double crochet all across, and repeat the same for the rest of the rows. We are going to make up to 5 rows, so repeat the same for the rest of the rows. Now we have completed 5 rows. Once you've done, fasten off your yarns. I am going to attach white color yarn to the third chain space. Make 2 chains, double crochet and 2 chain, then 2 double crochet in the same chain space. Now skip 3 chains and repeat the same. 2 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochet. And repeat the same for all across. And middle of the back side, make a slip stitch and make 20 chains for the button loop and make a slip stitch to the same chain space. Now again continue the same pattern all across. By the end, close it with the slip stitch to the first chain we have made. Now we are going to make 5 double crochet in the same space and a slip stitch. Repeat this pattern all around the opening space. And finally, make a slip stitch to close this and fasten off even the ends. Here it is, we have made this beautiful handmade card pouch. I hope you like this video. Subscribe for my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.